Imagine waking up in 2026 with $0 and no financial safety net. No savings, no investments, maybe debt and rising expenses everywhere.
Headlines scream about automation, high interest rates, and unaffordable housing markets.
Your income pays bills but builds absolutely no long-term wealth. Most people panic here, but this is actually a powerful reset point.
Wealth is not built with excitement. It is built with correct order.
There are 5 precise steps I would follow, starting from 0. Step 1 is destroying high-interest debt immediately and aggressively.
If your debt charges 20% interest, investing makes absolutely no sense.
Investing while carrying high-interest debt is filling a leaking bucket. Mortgage $300,000, student loans $50,000, car loan $15,000, credit card $5,000.
Attack the highest rate aggressively while paying minimums on others.
Cut unnecessary expenses and sell unused items to accelerate payoff. Debt limits your ambition more than most people realize. When debt is gone, your decisions become bold and strategic. Step 2 is building a cash fortress before investing anything. Emergencies destroy investors who are fully invested without protection.
If markets crash during crisis, selling locks permanent, painful losses.
Build 3 months of essential survival expenses in liquid savings.
This money is not investment, it is financial insurance.
The investor who never sells during panic always wins long-term. Without cash buffer, you are forced to sell at the worst time. With protection, you wait patiently for recovery instead of panicking. Once your cash fortress is complete, investing can safely begin. Step 3 is using the tax code intelligently to accelerate wealth. Contribute to employer match first because it is guaranteed return. Next, fund a Roth IRA for powerful tax-free growth. Taxes quietly destroy more wealth than most bad stock picks. If eligible, maximize your health savings account next. Fill tax-advantaged buckets before touching taxable brokerage accounts. Plugging tax leaks early dramatically increases long-term compounding. Step 4 is investing simply, consistently, and without drama. Most people believe picking individual stocks creates wealth faster. Even professionals struggle to beat the market long-term consistently. Buying the entire market removes guesswork and reduces risk.
Historically, markets return roughly 8 to 10% long-term.
Consistent monthly investing compounds powerfully across decades. Time in the market beats perfect market timing. Good investing should feel boring and emotionally uneventful. Excitement in investing often signals speculation, not strategy. Allocate 90% into broad, low-cost index funds. Keep only 10% for speculative curiosity and experimentation. This protects your financial life from catastrophic emotional mistakes. Never touch the core portfolio emotionally during volatility. Step 5 is increasing your income ceiling aggressively. You cannot budget your way into meaningful wealth. There is no ceiling on earning potential. Master one high-value skill that multiplies income. A 20% raise compounds across decades of earnings. Career upgrades beat temporary side hustles long-term. Communication and specialized knowledge create leverage in every industry. Six months of focused learning changes financial trajectory. Bigger income makes every investment step dramatically faster.
The order is what makes this strategy powerful.
First, eliminate high-interest debt completely and permanently. Build 3-month survival cash buffer before investing to stabilize financial foundation against unexpected income disruptions.
Third, maximize tax-advantaged investment accounts first.
Invest primarily in broad market index funds to grow wealth consistently over long time.
Upgrade skills to expand earning power continuously. Over 20 years, this math becomes unstoppable.
Consistency beats brilliance in wealth building.
Starting at zero is clarity, not disadvantage. Follow structure and let compounding handle the rest.
Subscribe for structured math-based wealth strategies without hype.